Hi everyone! Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering why your custom lookup field data isn't appearing in your Salesforce LWC data table? You've set up your columns, fetched your data, but that crucial lookup value just shows up blank or as SObject. It's a common frustration, and today, we're going to demystify this problem and provide you with clear, actionable solutions. The core issue lies in how LWC data tables expect data. Data tables are designed to display simple, primitive values directly, like strings, numbers, or booleans. However, when you query a lookup field, like contact account name, Salesforce returns an object structure. The Datatable's fieldName property in your column definition expects a direct path to a primitive value. When it encounters an object, it doesn't know how to render it, leading to those empty cells or generic object indicators. For instance, contact name works because name is a direct string field on the contact object. But contact account name is a nested property, meaning account is an object, and name is a property of that object. The data table can't traverse this nested path on its own using a simple field name. So, how do we fix this? The most robust and recommended solution is to flatten your data before it reaches the LWC data table. You can achieve this primarily in two ways. First, and often preferred for performance and cleaner LWC code, is to do it in your Apex controller. You'll create an Apex wrapper class. This wrapper class will mirror your SObject fields but will also include separate string properties for your lookup values. For example, if you're displaying contacts and want the account name, your wrapper class would have a public string account name, get, set, property. In your Apex method, when you query your contacts, you'll then iterate through them and populate your wrapper instances. For each contact, you'd set wrapper instance.accountName equals contact account name. You then return a list your wrapper class to your LWC. In your LWC JavaScript, your column definition for the account name would simply use fieldName, account name, directly referencing the flattened string property from your wrapper. This method ensures your LWC receives a clean, flat list of objects, each with directly accessible primitive values for all display purposes. The second common approach is to flatten the data within your LWC's JavaScript. After your Apex method returns the raw data, which includes the nested lookup objects, you can use JavaScript's map function to transform your data. You'll iterate through each record in the return list and create a new property on that record for your lookup value. For example, you could write record.accountName equals record.account, record.account.name. This creates a new, flat account name property on each record. Then, in your LWC column definition, you'd again use fieldName, account name, referring to this newly created, flattened property. While this works well for smaller datasets, processing large amounts of data in JavaScript can sometimes impact performance, making the Apex wrapper class a more scalable solution. Both methods achieve the same goal, providing the LWC data table with a simple, direct string value for your lookup fields. Always remember, the key is to transform that nested object into a direct string property that the data table can understand. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this explanation helps you conquer those tricky custom lookup fields in your LWC data tables. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Salesforce development tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.